Hey Matt, I'm a first-time home buyer. What's the best loan for me?
That's a great question. I'm here today with Dave Buco of Home Loan Investment Bank. I'm just going to toss it right to you. So what's the best loan out there for a first-time home buyer?
Yeah, it seems like a pretty simple question, but the truth of the matter is that the best loan for a buyer is the best loan for which they would qualify. So, every borrower is different, and, for a borrower that has saved up a sizable down payment, a 20% down payment, and that has a lengthy credit history and a high credit score, you hear the term conventional loan. That's probably the best loan for them because it doesn't carry any mortgage insurance, and with their high credit score, they would qualify, for a low interest rate. But there are programs also for buyers that don't have a lot of money saved up. A Federal Housing Administration loan only requires a 3.5% down payment. So,
is that FHA? You gotta hear that a lot.
Yeah. Yeah. So it really depends, on the circumstances for the borrower, their credit history, the amount of money that they have to put down, if a family member is going to give them a gift for some of the down payment.
If that is the case, if mom and dad have $10,000 just to give, does that steer them in a direction? Does that where does that fall in? What type of loan?
Mostly the FHA loan or Federal Housing Administration loan, because FHA allows the down payment, the 3.5% down payment, up to all of it can be a gift from a family member.
Yeah. And from the real estate side, the agent side, I do see a lot of buyers in our area pre-qualify for FHA loans. And one thing that I see on our end when we're looking at the homes, it's a good loan for the first-time buyer. And maybe they are looking in the price range that are more of that affordable price range. But FHA is going to have some more guidelines as far as when they go out and appraise the home, they're going to be concerned with the condition of the home. So when you're looking at homes, homes that have peeling paint, homes that need some repairs, FHA may require those repairs to be done prior to closing, or maybe that worked into the loan or something like that. You hear PMI. That mortgage insurance, people want to, sometimes they come in and they say, oh, I don't want to pay PMI. So that's an issue of down payment, how much to put down?
Yeah, PMI is insurance that's placed on the loan that basically, on a more risky loan where somebody isn't putting down a lot of money, it gives the bank a little bit of assurance that they're covered if anything ever happens with the loan. If you put down 20% on a conventional loan, then there is no PMI required. FHA loans have mortgage insurance. It's technically called MIP because it's not private mortgage insurance. It's insured by the federal government. Yep. But yeah, it's a fact of the lending process.
All right, cool. Dave Buco, Home Loan Investment Bank. We'll give you some contact info below.